everybody, I'm Shy, as you all know, and this is my aunt. So today we're going to put this in our food coloring in our milk. We're going to see who can drink the most. Oh, yeah, there we go. Pour it all in there, why won't it come out?
You have to squeeze it.
It looks so nasty.
It looks so nice. Oh, this is bad.
You're just like puke.
I like you.
Okay, we're going to show you these before.
Wait, I want green.
So,
Oh my god,
we're going to like drink this.
Look.
You know. Okay, here is what mine looks like.
I want to see what yours
Here's what mine looks like.
So we're gonna drink these, and I am going to like puke. Okay, ready?
Wait, will I die?
Yes, you will. 1, 2, 3.
I want in.
Give Daddy some.
What? What's wrong with you?
Back.
Okay, that's all.